Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, and today I'm back again with a new video on my channel. In today's video, guys, we will be talking about Extsy, which is the ultimate crypto trading platform. So this video will be sort of an introduction. I want to kind of talk you through what they do. I recently found them, and I think that some of you could definitely have some use with this platform. So before we start, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. First things first, Extsy is in fact a regulated crypto exchange, so that's definitely a thing that we should look out for always when trying anything, you know, financial. It should be regulated, obviously. And they have some cool features. They have virtual cards, which are accepted in about 100+ countries. They have secure peer-to-peer trading, which contains escrow protection, so that's also good. Low fees, transparent pricing, also multi-currency wallet, so if that's something that interests you, then you can also utilize that. They also have some special perks, guys. Users who signed up before February 27th will receive one month free premium features when Extsy launches, so that's also pretty cool. And then you can obviously sign up, follow them on all their social media, so you can stay up to date with all the informations that they push. But yeah, we'll get into some of these points back. Now I want to briefly go through the website, show you some of the features, and yeah, basically talk a little bit about them. So as you can see, exchange, expand, engage, that's how they describe themselves, and that's definitely great. So redefine your crypto experience with our limitless web-free solutions. Effortlessly buy, sell, and swap cryptocurrencies with our user-friendly platform, offering fast transactions and non-custodial security. So they have really low transaction fees. As you can see, it's about 0.1%. They claim to have 5 million plus users and also 450 plus supported cryptocurrencies, which is quite a lot. So they have your regular swaps. They also have obviously the spot trading. They have peer-to-peer, and they also have Extsy Elite. So yeah, they are fully audited by Hacken. As you guys can see, this is the audit, and they have passed the audit with flying colors, so that's also a great thing. And they've passed it quite recently. So yeah, you can go ahead and basically check each one of these out if you want. The link is on their website. You just gotta click on this logo of Hacken here. They also have their Trustpilot page, which is ranking nicely 4.7 based on 39 reviews, so this definitely will start growing. I believe they recently started the account, so that's why it doesn't have that many reviews just yet. And as you can see, they are based out of UK. So that's really cool. What makes them stand out, you may ask? So as you can see, they have 98% triumph rate, 100,000 satisfied clients, and 8 minutes is the average exchange time, which is great because if you use the swap function, from what I understand, you can basically buy, sell crypto, and you can swap, for example, your Bitcoin if you want. You can go ahead and swap it to any currency that you want out of this, and they support a lot of them, 400 plus, right? So I don't know, let's choose even something like random. Let's say that you want to get cake, for example, which by the way, cake used to be, I mean, PancakeSwap obviously still is a big thing, but back in the days it used to be crazy. This token was just insane. But anyway, let's say you want to swap out some of your BTC for some cake, and then, guys, as you can see, it will let you swap it. It shows you all the percentages, and then you input your wallet address. So in this particular case, it would be ERC20 address. You read the terms, obviously, before using. You can check out the terms, privacy policy, you accept, and you hit swap now, and then basically it will give you all the instructions how to get started with that, and it also checks whether your address is valid, so that's definitely great. But yeah, anyhow, that's how it looks like. You have some tips, you have information how to cancel your swap if you don't need it, and if you send the funds, you can also contact their support team immediately, and maybe they will be able to reverse that. So that's great if you make mistake, but again, as you can see, they are not really allowing you to make a mistake, which is great. This is really good security feature, because sometimes if you copy and paste address by accident, you might not copy like the first number or the last number, and you know, they prevent that, so it's really cool. Then you also have the buy feature. You can go to whatever you want, and then whichever currency you are comfortable with, and you can buy some meme coins, for example, on Solana. Different stuff you can also sell, which is a really cool feature. again. So they have it all. They really have it all. They have the Extsy card, which is also interesting. That's the virtual card that I was telling you about at the beginning of the video. And this looks really promising because, as you can see, you could be able to manage your payments with crypto cards. So what I understand is that you could top this up with crypto and pay for it, for the stuff using the card. So that's really nice, and you can also assign it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay. So yeah, it looks really cool, and it's a virtual card as well. So definitely something nice. They have some plans, as I can see. Extsy Premium. So you have Premium Monthly or Elite Premium Monthly. So yeah, that's really interesting. Definitely will be looking out for this one. I'm really interested in seeing how this could work out. They have some business information. You can participate in their affiliate program if you want to promote them and get users to sign up. You can get some nice rewards. Then they also have the Extsy Elite. So let's get back to the main page here, and we can scroll down to see what they have. You can also see this is their spot trading. So you can see how it looks like. A really nice layout, definitely user-friendly and easy to navigate through, so that definitely looks good. So you select your currency, deposit your funds, receive your crypto, and then you can start using their trading. Then you also can see how it looks like with your wallet, with your card. So this is like the whole visualization, how it is supposed to look when it's like fully ready, which is definitely looking really promising, and also again really transparent and user-friendly from my point of view, at least. Then again, they have some information about the virtual card, instant transactions, fund your card with crypto, Apple Pay, Google Pay, accepted worldwide, multiple virtual cards available, no hidden fees, which is definitely great. And also, guys, they have their peer-to-peer trading, so you can connect directly with buyers and sellers for efficient and secure cryptocurrency transactions. And this is great because sometimes if you want to buy, let's say, smaller amounts of crypto, I mean, it doesn't really need to be smaller amounts, but sometimes when you buy like directly through merchants that sell you crypto, because obviously they will always use some kind of merchant when you are purchasing with your card, oftentimes there are fees, obviously. So to kind of avoid these fees, you can always use the peer-to-peer, and then you have everything laid down transparently, what seller, what payment methods the particular seller accepts. So let's say he accepts bank transfers from, I don't know, Bank of America, for example, or whatever bank, and then you just send him the money, he sends you the crypto, and it is all in an escrow, so he doesn't get his funds. Like he needs to send you the crypto first to get his funds, so it's safe for the both parties. So yeah, obviously peer-to-peer trading, a really cool thing. Their extensive selection of supported cryptocurrencies, you can check out their popular pairs, their new listings, what they have and what they will keep on adding, so that's nice. Some information about the partnership program again, so if you are influencer, if you have blog or something, then definitely you could try to look out for this, because it could give you some nice benefits as well. They also have this whole article that I've seen about them on Cryptopolitan, so I will link it down below, or you can join the waitlist and all of that. So there is some information here as well that are definitely worth checking out. They basically talk about their features as well and stuff like that, so most of those I already shared with you in this video, guys. They have a little FAQ section at the end of the site, as you can see. They have some links, they have all the informations, obviously all the legal stuff, so you can go ahead and read all of that here, all the contact details, social medias, which I, by the way, invite you to join if you want to stay up to date with Extsy and what is happening within the exchange. Then you should definitely be following them on those. So yeah, I think that this will be it, guys. If you are interested in joining, if you are interested in staying up to date and participating in many of the events that they are preparing, then you can definitely check out the links down below in the description. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about them? Do you think that they will be a big exchange? I mean, they are already quite big, but definitely they could be more popular. So let me know your thoughts, guys. I will always engage with you in the comments, as I always do. And that will be it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.